Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Tuesday the 8th of April. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader, looking at the euro dollar first then, and what we can see we've got a little setup here actually towards suggests possibly a turning point, but I have a bit of conflict with this analysis in terms of got a pivot swing here which could see if we break yesterday's highs, if we manage to actually get past yesterday's highs and probably that 50 MA, could see some further upside. However, I do have a short-term target of 137.27, so a bit of a retrace is effectively needed. I say needed. There's around about 75% chance of getting that today. Now it may just pop down there first, get down, run down to it, and then move back up and look for this trend line. But at the moment, the real trend is still to the downside when you're looking at lower lows that we've been putting in here, lower highs, until we break one of this high here. Really we need to break out of this this trend line. Is the initial sort of starts of this, but it is still in a downward trend. There is no significant news coming out for the euro today, although there are some smaller news events. Okay, looking at the pound dollar, and similar picture in a sense from the we've got a pivot swing on the dailies there in terms of that 3-bar setup, which would suggest further upside. Again, we really are drawing it on the 4-hourly here. We are in this downward trend at the moment still, and I do have a downward target or downside target of 165.99. So around about where this weekly pivot is, somewhere in that region, as a possible downside target there. But what we're looking at here, as with the euro, is some bullish signals on this upper time frame. It really depends if it can break yesterday's highs and get up and move there. Well, perhaps we won't see these downside targets hit today, but there is, as I say, we're around about 75% chance of them being hit. So that's certainly what I'm looking at to be hit at some point during the day. If we can break these trends, or this particular trend here, well, then it opens the way for these old highs at 166.60. Otherwise, I would imagine we'll be in a smaller and contained sort of area, maybe with the lows here around about 165.62. Okay, that's it. There is a bit of news at 9:30 actually, manufacturing production figures coming out for the UK, which could give us a decent sized move, 20-30 pips there in about 9:30. So we'll be watching out for that. Okay, have a great day. Bye for now.